Okay, now I can see that we are going to need to adjust our leveling feet on the oven. But at this time, now that the oven is in place, the gas is on, we are ready to light the pilot lights. There's one pilot light lit, and there's the other one is lit. And so now we're ready to put the cover on the top of the stove. I'm not sure which way this goes. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Does it go this way? Okay, I think that's how it goes. Maybe. I don't know. I'm going to try it the other way also, just to see. No, I think it does go this way. Are there any screws in there? No. It just sits there. Just like that. Appears as though this is bowed out just a little bit here. That may be why it's pushing that out. But it appears it slips over those. Okay. So that's how it goes. Okay, next we'll put the little the burner covers on. Now we should be able to have the oven. Okay, that looks pretty good. That one works. That one works. Works good. And that one works good too.